wolf pack. So oh god, that was ugly. Okay, so today my dog, he got outside because I was locked out of the house again, but I went to the back door and got in, and my grandfather had gone to open the door and the dog had gotten out. Oh gosh, I look ugly. I can't breathe. JK. But alright. So then I went to go get him. Oh god, it looks like I have like mascara on me, but I don't. Alright. I look so, and my phone's glitching out. And I look so ugly. There we go. And Kaya got out, so I had to chase after both of them. Literally tackled Kaya so that I could get a hold of her and get her back to the house. Zach, I fucked up. You know what? There's like 3 people that I know that are named Zach. So yeah, Zach, he was outside. Michael was out. There's like 3 people I know that are named Michael as well. Michael was outside, and a couple of other kids were outside. And I was just like, well, goddamn, and there was like shit. So yeah, and Gulliver, he just came back to the house. Yeah, today I gave 2 people in my school, obviously, my YouTube channel, and that's just gonna be like, I don't know, but like, you know, yeah, and yeah. Sorry, I'm like tired for some reason. But yeah. I don't know. So if you guys like this video, like, subscribe, So if you guys like this video, like, subscribe, share notifications on, comment down below, and subscribe if you're not, but if you join the wolf pack. I love you so much, my wolf pack, and I'll see you guys next video. Bye now.